everyone, welcome to Time for Crafts. Today we are going to make a simple and easy bookshelf. Materials required: a small box, hot glue gun, design paper or any paper, scissors, cutter. There are total 3 steps. Step 1. Take the cutter and cut this part in a slanting way. Now cut this part. Now let us cut the edges. Step 2. Take the hot glue gun and stick this part. Step 3. Take the paper and stick it in the box. Now on the next side. After this, let us cut the extra part. And this side too. Don't cut this part. This we can stick it here. And now with another paper, we will do this part. Now let us cut over this part. Now in this part, we start cutting. Here we will do like this. Now let us keep this for drying. The bookshelf is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.